A beef pie lollipop. Credit for this idea goes to Thermopro here on TikTok. I filmed this a year ago, and I'm just now getting around to editing it, so I don't remember what cut of beef this is, but we're going to start with some olive oil, a beef roast, some beef ribs. Add some red wine, some salt, some pepper, and some rub seasoning. Cook low and slow for 6 to 8 hours. Remove the meat from the rib bones. Shred the beef roast and put it back in the crock pot to absorb the juices while you make the filling. In a hot frying pan, add some oil, carrots, onion, garlic, peas, Worcestershire sauce, bone or beef broth, paprika, pepper, salt, and cornstarch. Mix well and simmer until vegetables are soft and the sauce is thick. Add the shredded beef and simmer for a few minutes. I'm using a pre-made pie crust. Place your lollipop stick, the rib bone, in the center. Add pie filling. Using another pre-made crust and a sharp knife or pizza wheel, cut strips and weave a lattice pie top. Seal the edges by pinching them together. Baste it with egg wash. Bake at 400 degrees for 30 minutes.